Hello and welcome once again to Listen and Learn AWS. Today we are looking at 3 built-in tools you will use to audit passwords and trim dangerous permissions, the IAM Auditing Trio. First is the Credential Report. This is a downloadable spreadsheet that lists every single user in your account. It shows you exactly how old their passwords are, when their access keys were last rotated, and, most importantly, whether they have MFA turned on. It is your go-to compliance spreadsheet. Second is IAM Access Advisor. This tool shows you a list of every service a user has permission to touch and exactly when they last used it. If a user has admin rights but hasn't touched the database service in 90 days, Access Advisor spots it instantly so you can remove that access safely. Third is AWS Access Analyzer. This tool automatically scans your resource policies to flag any files or queues accidentally exposed to the public internet or external accounts. Together, these 3 tools ensure your identities stay tightly locked down. Thank you for listening to the AWS IAM series on Listen and Learn AWS.